Did you know ParentSquare makes it super easy to ask for items? Like if you want to have a class party or a special project, you can send out a post to your families requesting the items that you need. So let's go into New Post. From here, you just select the group that you want to post to. I'm just going to post to my group of technology coaches. I enter a subject line. I always like to add an image to my post just to make it more attractive, catch the eye. And so here I've just found an image of a class party from Google Images, saved it to my downloads, and added it in. I'm going to add a little bit of text here. Let's center that text. And now let's ask for some items. I'm going to click on the Ask for Items option in the left-hand menu. This adds a new little box here on my post where I can enter the date that I want the items by. Let's say my party is going to be on Friday the 28th, so I'm going to ask that all items be brought by the 27th. Now here I need to be specific about what I want people to bring. Let's say we want juice boxes. The quantity is very important to enter. I want 30 juice boxes. And parents can sign up to bring all of those or some of those. I'm going to add another item. Let's say we want 6 microwave popcorn bags, 30 fruit cups, and 30 paper plates. All right. That's all the items we'll be needing for this class party. I can go ahead and post this to my parents now. This reviews who will be receiving the post. In my group, it's just these 4 folks. Here in the web view, you'll see that anyone can click to sign up for an item. They can decide here, these are the juice boxes. I asked for 30, but a parent can decide, well, I have 6 in the house, I'll bring 6. They can add a short note. This is optional. And submit. Now on the teacher side, I see that Kate Friels has signed up for 6 of those, and there are still 24 needed. If a parent brought in some and they did not sign up in ParentSquare, I can click here to add them. Let's say Janie brought in some juice boxes, but she didn't sign up in ParentSquare. She brought in 10 juice boxes. I can add her there. Let's see what this looks like in the app. In the app, parents can see the post with its nice image. They can tap to appreciate or tap at the wish list at the top to sign up for items. Once they tap there, they can select the item, like microwave popcorn bags, and they can select the quantity they want to bring. So here we asked for 6, and let's say this parent wants to bring all 6. Then they just tap Save in the top right corner, and they've successfully signed up. The next time a parent taps microwave popcorn bags, they'll see that the signups are full for that item. Coming back to the teacher's screen, you can see that microwave popcorn bags is now closed. Hope you love this feature to help you get the materials you need for your classroom parties and projects.